Hello, welcome to the Alt Phone channel. Monster Hunter now is one of the hottest games these days, and many players are very addicted to this game. However, the problem comes with the fact that players cannot play this game outdoors due to bad weather or other reasons. Therefore, how to play Monster Hunter now without moving has become a hot topic. Due to different devices. Below, I will distinguish how to change the positioning of Android and iOS devices. Part 1. Play Monster Hunter now without moving on Android. Most players of location-based games are familiar with the fake GPS app. It is a popular location spoofing tool that allows Android users to easily fake their location while playing Monster Hunter now. Open it and search for the new location. Move the map to where you want to go and tap the button in the lower right corner. It's very simple. Part 2. Play Monster Hunter now without moving on iOS. There is no built-in app for iOS devices that can change the positioning. We can only use the following tools to achieve it. Alt Phone iOS Location Changer allows you to alter the GPS location on your iPhone and Android. You can anywhere in the game without physically moving. Before that, you need to connect your device to your PC. Here are the 4 functions. Feature 1. Change location. Feature 2. Single spot movement. Feature 3. Multi-spot movement. Feature 4. Joystick movement. You can use any of them in your game as needed. Here I will show you how to use change location and single spot movement features for Monster Hunter now. Feature 1. Change location. In the first function, you can change your real-time location to anywhere. You can select any location you want to change on the map, or enter the place you want to go in the search box, and then click Start to modify. Wow, just like this, this feature can take you anywhere you want to go. Under normal circumstances, the effective time is 48 hours, but if it is restarted halfway, it will immediately return to the real position. Feature 2. Single spot movement. Select the start and end points. Alt Phone iOS Location Changer will automatically plan and generate a route, and let the phone's GPS positioning move along the route at a specified speed. You can adjust it according to your preference. It's so easy, go and try it. So guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.